Hello everybody, it's Sunday afternoon, so I'm going for a bike ride, and I'm on that road leaving my village, and I stopped to film a few flowers that are on the side of the road because they're lovely, but I don't know what they are. These are white thin flowers here. These ones, look, there is a bumblebee gathering pollen on it, and there is another one there. Look up, I don't know whether either actually. This is mint, and that one is almost in flower. It's a bit different from the one that I have in my garden. That is a communist bike on the way. And here it's a sort of dandelion, I think, but I don't know what they are. Here some other ones, I don't know either. So well, I don't know much actually to show you here. Hopefully after my bike ride I go back to the pond in my village to film the water lilies from closer. So now there is an elder tree with the white flowers, and on the right there, and on the right there is a white rose tree. Okay, so now I go on for my bike ride.